Today is the day we put the quilt all together. You have seen the 3 tutorials on the 3 simple blocks that make up the Trailblazing quilt. The first step is to sew each block together in each column. Once those blocks are all sewn together, I must press each column individually. Then, when the columns are all set, I will go ahead and join each column. I say column because they are not rows across the quilt like you typically see, but they are columns going up and down vertically. I am careful to match the points so that the chevrons will look continuous across the quilt once it is done. Once they are sewn together, I will press and I will have a complete quilt. It is beautiful once it is done, and it is really easy to make this quilt larger if you need it. Happy trailblazing!